Oh, what a pity. This should have been an apple pie. After all, today we are guests in America. And if it works, the apple pie will look like this, baked in Trangia. Take apples, an egg, milk, sugar, olive oil, baking powder and vanilla sugar. So, let's start then. You take such a pot here. Fill this with flour, an egg, milk, then start stirring. Next up is olive oil and sugar, please keep stirring. Don't forget the baking powder and vanilla sugar. Almost finished. Stir or knead again. Then you get a fantastic dough. We'll set that aside for now, and grease the baking tray with olive oil. Yes, correctly identified, that is the Trangia pan. That should be enough. We continue with a generous sprinkling of sugar, spread on the baking sheet. And if we're lucky, this one will caramelize while baking. Next up are the apples, nicely sliced and placed on top of the sugar. Please do this in the middle in 2 layers, because the flame of the Trangia is concentrated in the center of the pan. This means that it gets hottest there and the cake does not bake evenly, but burns in the middle. And that doesn't matter, because the middle slice of apple serves as a protective function of the cake, so to speak, and is simply removed afterwards. Yes, it will be burned. But we're not there yet. The dough is still missing, which of course also belongs on the baking tray and is distributed evenly. Time to start the Trangia and then place the baking sheet on the flame. Perfect. Now close the oven door and wait 15 to 20 minutes. Around 10 minutes have now passed. Let's take a look at the experiment. Yes, promising, seems to work. But our cake still needs to bake, so close the oven door again. Another 5 minutes have passed. We look again in the tube. But oh yes, that smells wonderful. We're poking around a bit in our cake and yes, it is slowly baking. But the cake is not ready yet. But now we hopefully have a useful result. Yes, the apple pie has risen fantastic all. Time to turn it around and yes, the result looks fantastic. The center is burned as previously said. We'll take care of that later. Because the cake isn't quite ready yet, because the current underside also has to bake a little bit. So the work is done. Now just remove the protective layer in the middle and then you can invite to a coffee gossip, probably the best American apple pie ever. Have fun emigrating and good luck.